Hello, YouTube. Welcome and thank you for stopping by HTS. I really appreciate it. And in case you're wondering who this guy is, my name is Leo. I teach a lot of how-to videos, get traffic to your websites, marketing, traffic platforms. I teach a lot of that. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos, just tap the subscribe button and get notifications for when my new videos come out. And I am a busy guy. I do everything. I also buy houses. So in case you need to sell your house, go ahead and reach out to me. The information is in the description below. Also, there's a lot more other things in my description below. I got books sometimes. I got free courses. I got a lot of stuff down there. So go ahead and go to the description below and pick something. Grab a gift. Anything is okay. And also leave comments. Leave comments because I do want to engage with some of you out there. All of you if I can. So treat her like royalty. So I want to get to this strategy I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you why I'm showing it to you, because a lot of you, it's right underneath your nose, and there's a way that you can potentially siphon a lot of eyeballs. So here we go. Google Maps, and this is why I'm going to show it to you. I want to bring this up real quick before I get started. I'm going to switch over to my iPad because for some reason it's easier for me to do it on my iPad or on my iPhone. But for this video, I'm going to use my iPad. But look how much traffic they get. Google reviews. Okay, Google gets, we all know who Google is, right? So monthly visits, that's a lot of visits. You know, people want to know where they're going when they do reviews. And the good thing about this little strategy here I'm going to show you is if you're traveling, even better. If you're a marketer or you have a product and service that you want to promote to people with Google running it for you, this is a good strategy here. So you already know United States, Brazil, India, United Kingdom, Japan. Google is king, right? So let's get to the video. So let me move down here. I'm going to bring up my iPad. And the reason why I'm going to bring it up, because I'm going to move it over here. And you want to go to your reviews. As you're traveling or as you're going anywhere, it could be a donut shop. It could be a mechanic's place. It could be a restaurant. The movies, a theater, wherever it may be, wherever you land, wherever you go for entertainment, whatever. So you're going to want to go to find your reviews. And now a lot of these places right here I've been to a few times, and the thing is I kind of started doing this a while back, but I didn't do what I'm about to show you to do, and I should have did that a long time ago. So recently, okay, I got over 10,000 notifications on my reviews here. And be honest with your reviews. Maybe you worked at a company before and you didn't like the management. You did not you like the way this place did business. Just leave an honest review, but don't be cursing, nothing like that. Be professional about it, and whether you liked where you were working or where you went, that for whatever reason, give a 5-star or a 1-star and leave a reason why. Just be honest, because Google wants that. And I got a bunch of reviews here that I've been to, and I'm very honest. As you can see right here, they show how many views it's gotten. It's not on all of them, but right here on this Get Some right here, I've gotten, that's right here, I've gotten over 1,100 reviews. On the one below that, I got 333. Then I got 3613. And that's a lot of reviews. People want to know who are leaving these reviews. So that's where it comes to you, the marketer or the seller, the entrepreneur, whatever you're selling, product or service. You go up here to your edit profile. Now, if you do this on your laptop, maybe you could enter a link. I have not tried it yet. I'm right here and I'm showing I'm just promoting my YouTube channel. on this one. I haven't put a link in here. You're limited to 200 right here in your how many words you can put in it. So I like to eat out at places. I make sure I leave honest reviews on places I have experienced. If you are looking to make money online, YouTube, Hustle the Struggle channel, and then I also put I buy houses as well. So I just wanted to get to the point real quick. Um I did leave my stuff in there. I let them know what I do. So when they go to find out who's this person leaving these reviews, your name pops up, your image pops up, and then maybe they're at a company, maybe they're on lunch and they went to go eat a Donut Boy right here, right? Maybe they went to eat at Donut Boy and they're talking to each other and they're saying, I we came here. Let's check out the reviews before we go. And then people at jobs talk to each other like they don't like their job sometimes, and they want to find something else. So when you could leave them like your YouTube channel, or maybe they need to get out of the house, they're really stressed out, or they're looking for some kind of information and education that maybe they could get a hold of and start learning, and they're just like learning a whole new lifestyle, right? So it's very important that we leave these reviews and we be totally honest about it. Totally honest. All these places right here, I'm being totally honest about them. I mean, some places only got 23 reviews, 711 reviews. That's at a Thai restaurant I went to. That's like real pretty good. Uh, Mexican restaurant I went to got 102 reviews, and of course Starbucks 60 reviews. Atlantis Burger almost 230, and as you can see, that's a lot of eyeballs. That's a lot of eyeballs, and eventually they're gonna want to come back, and they're gonna want to see, well, who's leaving these reviews, and then you want this guy to pop up. So when they pop up here, um, you know, they read right there. It gets to the point real quick. Oh, this guy has a YouTube channel. I want to see who his YouTube channel is. Then they go to your YouTube channel or your TikTok or your Snapchat, whatever it may be. Now, like I said before, I'm not sure if you could put a clickable link in there. Maybe you can if you go through your laptop. I don't know if they allow it, so go ahead and try it. I just left my channel name and let them know what I do. And if they're interested, they're going to come and check it out. Now, as you can see right here, look, I only have 31 contributions. I got 401 points. I'm not sure how their point system, what it does for you. I don't know if they send you coupons later. I'm not 100% on that yet. But if I would have left all reviews of all places I've been to, just right here where I live at, imagine my views would be a lot more than what you see here. You know, the I got 10,000 plus reviews the other night. So last night, as a matter of fact, last night, which was dated, what's today? Huh, I don't even got my phone on me. But today's day is, oh, look right there on top. You can see it right there. 10,132 views. 7 helpful votes, 31 reviews. So that's my 31 contributions. So if you all out there see this, I'm pretty sure you use Google. Put your stuff in there. Get people knowing what you could offer them, what you do for a living. Don't be shy. Just get out there, and I'm pretty sure all these recent ones I just did, they're going to be like, who's this guy? And they're going to come. Some of them know me. I mean, places that I've worked, but places that I worked. I mean, I worked here at this place, SkyMail, and I gave them a 3-star. I was really honest about it because it was back in the past, and that's where it's at. So yeah. I mean, the point is, if you came to my channel and you're picking up these tips, you're going to end up leaving the past in the past anyway, because you're looking for something greater, something that you could be a value to others. So All you have to do is go up here and you edit your profile. And like I said, maybe you could drop a link in here. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But if you have a whatever TikTok, a Facebook group, whatever it may be, if they're interested in what you're saying and the reviews, you're being honest about it, they might go and just check you out to see who's this guy. You could also put something funny in there, real quick, just to catch a quick smile. If you catch somebody's smile, uh, if you can make somebody's day by just making them laugh real quick, just a quick, just a quick smile, you most likely going to siphon some of that traffic to go back to see what you're up to. So, and that's all I have for this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithms with my YouTube channel here. I'm looking to blow it up. I do a lot of things, people. I do real estate as well, like I mentioned earlier. If you need to sell your house or you're in a situation where you don't want to hire a realtor, I could be your guy. Or even better, maybe you could just lease it out to me and keep your property, just lease it to me, and then we could work something out where we can make a lot of money together. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I don't want to take up too much of your time. I probably took up a lot, but this video right here could get you traffic, and it's all Google. As you already know, Google's the number one, the numero uno. So thank you very much. You have a good night, a good day. You be safe out there, and I keep coming back through my channel and we make some more stuff.